How to easily find millage on Doordash app. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find millage on Doordash application. Now Doordash has actually a partnership application in which you can track millage on your mobile device. So first is pull up your Google Play Store or any app store available that you can use on your end. And then the application is going to be Everlens. Look for Everlens, and this is their partnership application for you to track your millage or millage tracker. Make sure to download and install this application, and you just need to connect your account from your DoorDash app into this one. Open it. Now log in. Now, once you successfully logged in, you just have to choose on the mode to get started if you're self-employed or if you're an employee. Once you successfully chosen that, and then once you accept booking available on DoorDash, it will automatically open up on your end. And that's it. That's how easy you can find millage on DoorDash app.